Hey there! In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating your very first WhatsForm. We'll be creating a simple Contact Us form for a cosmetics brand named Glow Up Cosmetics. We'll see how WhatsForm can help to gather useful customer information all through WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, log in to your WhatsForm dashboard by going to app.whatsform.com and click on New WhatsForm. Next, provide your WhatsApp number and select your preferred language for the form by opening the drop-down menu. Now, you will have two options: start from scratch or use a template. For this video, let's start from scratch. You are now on the Build page, where you can drag and drop questions to create your form. Let's begin by adding a heading. For this, use the title question and add a welcome message to greet your customers. Next, we have to ask for the customer's name. To get this data, use the text input question for this purpose. We'll change the title to "What's your name?" This ensures you capture each customer's name. To make it even clearer for your customers, you can add a description in the subtitle field. We can also fill in the placeholder field with an example. Want to add an image related to the question? You can do that by clicking here. If you want to make the question a required field, you can click here to enable it. Now let's add an email question to collect the email address of the customers. Let's give a placeholder text to show an example and also make it a required field. Now let's add a multiple choice question and set the question title as "How did you hear about Glow Up Cosmetics?" Then we'll provide some options: social media, friend or family, advertisement, and event. We'll also include an other option so customers can provide their own answers if none of the listed choices apply. Plus, we'll make this question a required field by clicking here. Now let's add a rating question and set the question title as "How would you rate our products?" You can pick your rating style here between a star or a survey style. Then we'll also set this question as a required field. Finally, let's add a text input paragraph question and title it as "Your Message." This is where customers will leave detailed messages or inquiries. We'll set this as a required field to make sure you capture all the necessary information from customers. Plus, we'll enable the paragraph option so they can provide more detailed answers. Once you've built the form, click on Preview to understand how it works on both mobile and desktop to ensure everything looks great. So here we have the mobile version. Then we have the desktop version. And we also have the widget version, which acts like a chat button for your website. All right, let's exit the preview. If you're happy with how the form looks, click on Publish to make it public. Next, let's go to Settings to customize your form's name and URL. Let's change the form name to Glow Up Cosmetics Contact Form and also simplify the URL to make it easier to remember. Now click on Share and let's copy the link. You can now go ahead and share this link with all your customers on WhatsApp. Now we're going to try out the form that we've just built for Glow Up Cosmetics. Let's assume there is a customer named Annie who is filling in the details for the form. After she completes the form and clicks Submit on WhatsApp, she'll be automatically redirected to the WhatsApp app on her mobile. Inside WhatsApp, Annie will see a message with all the details she has filled in. Upon clicking the Send button, the form owner, that is you, will receive the WhatsApp message directly from Annie's WhatsApp number. This is how WhatsForm initiates a conversation between a business and a customer. Once you know all their requirements, you can have a better productive conversation with your customers. If you have any questions, please visit whatsform.help.center.